This is Paul Moody coming at you from Country Boys and Country Girls Outdoors. I am outside and this is my before look of my 2025 Ford Maverick before I install my rain guards. My daughter sent them to me for a late Father's Day present. So I've looked at some tutorials and I'm going to go ahead and try to put them on myself. Alright, there's the first one installed. Now all I have to do is put the clips in. That's the side view. And there's the front view. Not a bad fit. There's the rear window before the rain guard. Getting ready to wipe the seal. Let that set for a sec. Get ready to put the primer on. Alright. Got the front rain guard on. And just installed the rear. Looks pretty good. In case y'all didn't know, I am doing this from my wheelchair. So don't never say that you can't do anything. But there's a will, there's a way. Oh, getting ready to finish up the other side and repeat the same process. Then I have to try to figure out how and where to get these clips in to make sure it doesn't drop down. But that doesn't look too bad. Give you a front view. Should have paused that. Looks like they belong there. Looks darn good. This is Paul Moody coming at you from Country Boys and Country Girls Out. If you like this little video, please like, share, and subscribe. And wait for my next little segment. More parts to come. Doing this at my own time and how I can. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. This is Country Boys and Country Girls Out.